guys, what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to pull the Sirocco fans apart. As you can see, they have a fair bit of dirt and dust that has settled on them. Now apparently they have been cleaned in the past, Rosalind assures me, but we've just come off the gib, and obviously there's a bit of dirt and dust that's gathered up on them. Now a lot of people don't know how to pull them apart. I was having a bit of a poke around and a bit of a look, and I'll show you it's quite easy. What I'm going to do is just turn the fan around. Again, you can see the dirt and the dust on the blades, but you'll see these little clips. One there, one there, one there, and one there. What you need to do is you need to, the two clips push together. So you need to pull them together at the same time, poke them out. So what I'll show you from the front, they're just fidgety, see? Oh, I had it. And see how that's out. Now I'm going to do the same up here with this one. Now you can see they're starting to come out. We'll spin back around to this one over here. Same thing. Great if you've got nails. I don't have nails. And it's coming out. And the last one, yeah, Ros just mentioned using tweezers is probably handy, and the blade comes off. So you can then take that away and give it a bit of a clean with a cloth, and you can get in now with a cloth and do all the fan. The fan actually pulls off, Ros just told me. Just having a look because I haven't...
Just the blade. Just
that there. You can pull out and clean them as well, and the blade, Ross was just saying, pulls off like that. So again, look at all the dirt and the grime that's in around the fan, but that'll allow you to get in nicely to do the rest of it. What we'll do is we'll give it a bit of a quick clean. I'm just going to put this back on. Actually, no, we'll clean this first.
So what I've got is I've just done the dishes for breakfast. So I'm just going to use the same water now that I've finished the dishes and just rinse them off in some hot soapy water, dry it with a tea towel, and then put it back together. While
that's happening, I'm going to shoot around. We've got another 1, 2, another 3. So I've got 4 Siroccos all up. So I'll go around, I'll pull them apart and get the bits off while Ros is doing the cleaning. We can show you a couple of the other ones, especially in the bedroom, because those ones are pretty dirty. We'll take you and show you them now. And yeah, you just got to keep on top of it. If you have any questions, guys, just message us and we'll respond. But it's quite easy, as you just seen. Righto, we'll go and do the others.
So these are the bedroom fans. A lot of dust. So they're in need of a good clean. So guys, like we've said, I've just used the dishwashing water that we've done the breakfast dishes in. We've cleaned them all off here, and they've come up a treat. Nice and clean. For the next few 100 kilometres, then we'll have to do them again. But Dave's just going to put it back together now. I'll show you how to do that.
Sure.
So you just get a cloth and wipe it all around, turn it around, make sure you get in all the little groovy bits, and then you put it back together.
Nobody puts Dave in the corner. Anyway, so what we're going to do is now we're going to stick this back on. And it just goes in the bottom, clips in up there and at the top. We'll get our fan, we'll put him back on. Give him a spin, make sure it works. And we'll put our Sirocco clips back in, making sure that we got it up the right way. That way. Move your little clips around, they just poke through. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, oops, 1, 2, just line them up, don't push it fully in, otherwise you'll have the problem I just had. There, like that. Now they'll go in. Bang, bang, turn him on. You get nice, clean, cool air. How refreshing. Look at my locks blowing. And that is how you clean a Sirocco fan. 5 minutes. Probably do it once a month, just to keep the dirt and grime out of it. Depending on where you've been, of course. But yeah, no one likes a grotty, dirty fan. So make sure you all wash. Get it? You're our fans? No. Cut.
Waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real.